single mothers are the most hardworking people in this world. They don't have a choice. Kids want to eat, wear clothes, go to school. It's money. So you have to work hard for your kids, especially their baby daddy doesn't support anything to those kids. So you have to stand with your kids. It's very painful. Your kids is lacking something other kids they have. So when you want your kids to have a good life as a mother, you have to stand up and work hard for your kids. It's very good. Single mothers, they have got time. Nothing they can limit them to work hard because they don't have a man who can control them. So they can do whatever they want to do with their lives. As a single mother, guys, it's not about you can enjoy life changing men after men. You don't keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy. Take care of your kids. Work hard for your kids. Spend your money to your kids. Other single mothers, after working hard, they can spend money to boyfriends. Yes, there is single mothers like that. You work hard, and you start having an affair with men. You know that men of nowadays, guys, they want to date single mothers. If they know that you are a hardworking woman, you are a hustler, men, they want the type of woman like that. And you can spend money to a boyfriend. You don't spend money now to your kids. So you have to take care of your kids as a single mother. Spend your money to your kids than boyfriends. Other single mothers, after working hard, imagine, guys, God bless you with a lot of money because he knows that you want to take care of your kids. After that, you are taking care of a boyfriend. What you have got a boyfriend for what? For what? Especially nowadays, guys, men, if they saw you that you are a hard worker, you are single and hard worker, they want a kind of a person like that. You are now spending money to boyfriends, to those men. Men of nowadays, they don't want to go to work, so they are waiting for you single mothers who work hard. Work hard for your kids. Work hard for your kids because it's very painful to saw your child is lacking something. You know that there is single mothers are sending their kids to private school and the baby daddy doesn't support with anything. Other single mothers, they don't waste their time, go to court and report about the child support. They don't want to waste their time. They waste their time on hustling. They don't waste their time on court. You are on court for baby daddy. The baby daddy knows that you have got kids. If you want to support the kids, he can do it. If he doesn't want, other single mothers, guys, they can do nice things to their kids. Sending their kids, you have got a nice life to their kids.